Hi viewers, welcome to RebarPlus. In this video, we are gonna to see how to draw the multiple range. I'm clicking Draw Bar Range. Here there are 4 options for ranges. I'm selecting Multi-Range Single Bar option. I'm picking the first point, then continuously picking other range start and end points. I'm selecting the call off to update the quantity. Now the total quantity is updated in call off. Also the individual range quantity is placed above the corresponding ranges. I'm gonna to edit the spacing of one particular range. I'm clicking Edit Range button and selecting the range to edit. In this range edit screen range length, quantity, and spacing details are displayed. I'm changing spacing to 200 and updating the range. Now, the range is splitted into different spacing range and the spacing is displayed near quantity in the corresponding range text. Also total quantity is updated and call off. This is how the multi-range option is working in RebarPlus. Thank you for watching.